Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am gonna test this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Obsession, by the way. So it's called Flower Haze. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look and my opinion about this eyeshadow palette, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So the eyeshadow palette I'm gonna test today is this one from Makeup Obsession. I think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. So it's called Flower Haze. This one was launched this summer, and I have it for a while. I think I have it for at least 2 months because I bought it exactly after it was launched, and for some reason I didn't have time to play with it. But finally. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It has 16 colors, and just let me take it off so you can see how it looks as well. So yeah, I think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It has this like flowery theme. It's just really lovely, and this is how it looks inside. Just let me take this off first. So it comes with this protective film, and this is how it looks inside. I think the colors are absolutely gorgeous. It's just like summer wise. You have some shimmers in here, you have some mattes, some really bright and bold colors in here. So as you can see, it's just a really nice summery type of eyeshadow palette. It comes with a mirror as well, so it's pretty handy because whenever you need to do your makeup, you can actually use the mirror from here. So yeah, by the way guys, the Makeup Obsession brand, if you didn't know, is part of Makeup Revolution, so part of the big brand, and it's as well cruelty free and vegan. And you have the ingredients on the back as well. You have eyeshadows, you have pressed pigments as well. So shade 3, 5 and 9 are eyeshadows, and then 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and 14 are actually pressed pigments. So you can use that not only on your eyes, you can use on the rest of the face as well. I'm gonna do some swatches as well, and I will come right back. Here is the eyeshadow palette again, and here are the swatches. First shade is Haze, next it's called Daisy, then we have Petal, Tulip, Honey, Sunflower, Amber, Sky, Blossom, then we have Peony, Rose, Bluebell, Butterfly, Dahlia, Lily and Poppy. So most of the shades they're having like a flower name anyway, but I'm gonna wipe this off because I don't want to mess my shirt, and I'll come back to see how this is gonna behave on my eyelids. So I've decided to go for a purple type of look because I had no idea what colors should I use, so I already done my first eye. I'm starting first with this color called Lily, so this one in here. It's not that pigmented. I am quite shocked because usually they have really pigmented eyeshadow palette, and I have a wet base, which I don't understand what's happening. I expected this to be more pigmented when I packed the color on, which is not. Next I'm taking the shade Daisy. This one seems to be a bit more pigmented than the other one that I used. And I'm gonna pack this color on like the middle of the eyelid, just to have it as a base, because on top I'll come with different colors. I know it looks crazy now, but again, you're already used to my looks, that it's a type of it's trust the process type of eye looks that I do. And I'm gonna blend the colors now. Next I'm taking the shade Dahlia, this one in here, sorry, this one in here. Yeah, the matte colors are absolutely gorgeous. Next I'm going to use the shade Rose, this one in here. It's a metallic. Again, this one is not really pigmented guys. It feels drying and it feels like they press it so hard. I don't know what's happening lately with them, because I think because they're rushing to launch so many stuff, and they have different brands, they're rushing things. And look what's happening. The latest collections I've tried for them, I wasn't that impressed. The shimmers were really bad quality, which I'm upset about it, because they usually have good quality products. So I've decided to go with a different color on top, which is color Sky. This behaves like a topper. This is really powdery, guys, and well, it doesn't feel creamy or whatever. But when I pack it on top, this color now becomes more beaming, if you know what I mean. So I like the color of this really baby blue shimmer, and the other one with the purple, this just gives a really nice sheen, like a dual chrome type of vibe. I'm gonna go back into the shade Lily, this one in here. And then back into the shade Dahlia, this pink in here. On the lower lash line, I'm using the shade Bluebell, so this one in here. It's not a complete matte, but it seemed alright. And underneath that, I'm gonna take the shade Dahlia again, so I can blend this color out. I'm gonna create a shape like this one, so I'm gonna just use a wipe. I will finish the rest of my makeup and I will come back with the finished look and of course the final thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. I think overall was alright eventually. I mean, after I built it up a few times, it was alright. I mean, I like the colors and the combination that eventually came through. They weren't extremely pigmented, which I was a bit disappointed. I mean, the shimmers weren't that pigmented, and this blue one is just really powdery and doesn't, you know, just it feels really flaky. I don't know why. This one is so hard to take it off. It feels like it's pressed in there. This one as well wasn't really great, so they're not really creamy. I think the only creamy that was actually alright, and I noticed it on swatching, is actually this one. So this one is really nice and creamy, and it just also, it did swatch beautifully, as you can see. That's the only shimmer that it's actually good quality, which I am a bit disappointed. The color story itself is really beautiful, and I was so excited to actually play with these colors because I wanted to do a different type of look, but because this one, it felt this one, it was like a topper. It's just like it has shine but not color, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm not, all the mattes I've swatched, by the way guys, they were really nice and pigmented and creamy. I didn't have any issue. They weren't really powdery, so the mattes absolutely fine. Even they blended up in here so beautifully, so no issues. But as I said, I was quite disappointed about the shimmer side, and even these ones, because they are like between. There are some shimmers but not extremely shimmers. I don't know if you can see it. Those are not pigmented at all. I did try this one, I tried this one, not pigmented. This I can say was decent and pigmented, and this pink one as well was really nice to blend out, but I don't know what to say. I was really excited about this eyeshadow palette, and apparently it's just, I don't know. In here I like the combination with the top up. This supposed to be blue, which it didn't really came out blue. It feels just, it has like some shine and that's it. But yeah, eventually it turned out alright. It's just it felt like I had a lot of work to do with the shimmers to build up the colors, and as I said, these are quite chunky. Look at the difference between these two, guys. So this is the chunky one, which feels like it's flaky, and this is the other one that I used underneath. So it's this one and this one. So this one, it barely comes out, as you can see. This one, it's more powdery and it comes out a lot, but if you want to blend it, just you're gonna make a mess everywhere anyway. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you try this eyeshadow palette, if it worked for you, if it performed better. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and let me know if you try this or not. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I will see you next time, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.